Click on the link below to get price. The Canon EF 70-300mm f/4-5. 6L USM Telephoto zoom lens is an impressive addition to any photographer's kit, particularly for those who require versatility without sacrificing image quality. This lens captures stunning detail across its zoom range, making it an excellent choice for wildlife, sports, and landscape photography. One of its standout features is the image stabilization system, which compensates for camera shake and allows for sharper images at slower shutter speeds. This is particularly beneficial when shooting at the longer end of the zoom range, where even the slightest movement can lead to blur. The lens offers up to 5 stops of stabilization, enabling users to capture crisp images in low-light conditions without resorting to a tripod. The build quality is exceptional, aligning with Canon's L-series reputation. The lens is weather-sealed, providing some resistance to dust and moisture, which is invaluable for outdoor photography. The robust construction feels premium in hand, and the rotating zoom mechanism is smooth and intuitive, allowing for quick adjustments even in dynamic shooting situations. Optically, the lens features advanced elements, including an ultra-low dispersion (UD) glass that minimizes chromatic aberrations and enhances color accuracy. The result is sharp images with vibrant colors, even at wider apertures. Bokeh is smooth and creamy due to the circular aperture design, which is perfect for isolating subjects against beautifully blurred backgrounds. Autofocus performance is fast and precise thanks to the Ring USM ultrasonic motor, making it suitable for tracking fast-moving subjects. The focus ring is also well positioned for manual adjustments, allowing for quick and easy fine-tuning when needed. Overall, the Canon EF 70-300mm f/4-5. 6L USM Telephoto zoom lens delivers excellent image quality, robust build, and versatile capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for both amateur and professional photographers alike. Its combination of features positions it as a standout option in its class, ensuring that it can meet a variety of photographic